create 2 number prompts in your checklist. Add the first computed value prompt, then configure it by adding the prompts and assigning them to variable names inside the parentheses. Separate the variables with commas. Save the computed value, then add a second computed value prompt. Click the second computed value and select multiplication as the operator. Assign the first number, second number, and the first computed value to variable names. Inside the multiplication operator, copy and paste the computed value variable name, followed by a comma. Select the addition operator. Inside the addition operator, copy and paste the first variable, followed by a comma. Add the second variable and close the parentheses. Save the computed value configuration, then save the checklist. In JobLink, attach the checklist. When you enter the first number as 1 and the second number as 2, the sum will be 3.